This biocoal is made from an invasive weed that's been ravaging rice fields for over 30 years. But now it's being used to cook, build homes, and create economic opportunities here in Senegal, all in a sustainable way. Taifa became an international problem after the construction of 2 dams between Senegal and Mauritania in the mid-80s. The dams cut off the flow of water and created ideal conditions for the weed to grow. For years, both governments tried and failed to find an effective way to eliminate it. Now, locals are trying on their own, and with their bare hands, as part of a project led by the French NGO Gret. The biocoal is made by burning taifa in these outdoor kilns for 6 hours at a time. The charred reeds are mixed with water and rice husks. A machine shapes it into briquettes, which are then laid out to dry for 3 to 4 days. Taifa briquettes ignite faster and burn longer than wood. In rural Senegal, more than 80% of the population relies on wood for cooking and heating. The pollutants released by wood burning can harm your heart and your lungs. Taifa coal, on the other hand, produces much less smoke. And the plant can be used for more than just burning. Taifa can also be mixed with clay to make bricks for construction. Many of the people participating in the Gret project are women.
Parce que, comme par exemple, avant ce métier, on était les femmes des foyers. On va au champ, période de champ, ça ne dure pas peut-être 1 mois ou 1 mois, quelques jours, et on reste à la foyer. On ne fait rien d'autre. Mais avec l'aide du Taifa et la transformation du biocharbon, on peut soutenir nos maris dans nos maisons, dans nos foyers, sur l'aide des enfants, sur l'éducation des enfants, et même sur la cuisine.
Every month, participants turn nearly 30,000 pounds of taifa into biocoal. Although this process creates new sources of revenue, the weed is still endangering valuable farmland. And it's not the only one. People all over the world are turning invasive species into usable products. The water hyacinth has posed problems and choked waterways in over 50 countries.
The people there cannot travel easily when it grows super thick, and also the living things under the water die.
The freshwater reed is native to the Amazon, but over the past century, people have spread the species to regions where it doesn't belong.
It's been transported all over the world because it's beautiful. It's an ornamental plant species.
Dr. Kit Magellan is an ecologist who studies invasive plants.
It's native to the upper reaches of the Amazon basin. Most of the transport occurred during the early 20th century.
In Cambodia, weavers at khoahoc use the weed to make bags, rugs, and baskets. But hyacinths reproduce faster than the small team is able to harvest them. In Senegal, taifa poses similar problems. Cutting the weed is labor-intensive, and transportation costs are high. It can also be difficult to find buyers. But NGOs and locals are working to find ways to minimize costs and increase efficiency.